Hi guys, welcome back to Family First 1001. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Today I've got a product review on my Ryobi 36 volt lithium battery lawnmower. It comes in 4 different parts: electricity point, the charger cover, and the battery and the mower with the catcher. This is the 36 volt lithium battery that goes with the lawnmower. It costs about $350 the whole lot. So it's very easy to operate. Just insert the catcher in like this. And you're ready for operation. To charge this first before you actually use it, probably runs for about 1.5 hours without charging another battery. You just click it in like this. Get this end of this put into there, just into there. Like that, and just charge it for about an hour and it should be ready for use. So to put the battery in, simply get out of this, and put this into this open little compartment here. And away we go. All we do is we simply press this button and pull the trigger. Turn it off, you just let go. And that's it. It's a very good product. I stand by it, and it does a very good job for around the house. I've only got a small yard, so that suits me fine. Even for a medium-sized yard, it would do the whole yard. So yeah, you should go and try yourself one and see how you go. Anyway, I better get back to it. I'll talk to you another time. Bye now.